Okay, so now we will consider a method to construct a push down automata from a context free grammar. So construction of or constructing equivalent PDA from given context free grammar. Let us assume that we have been given a context free grammar which looks like this. So there are two rules that you have to apply. So the first rule says, or first rule talks about only variables, where first rule would be dedicated to be written like this: delta, you are into one state, you don't care what is there onto the stack, but you have to consider variable here. Okay. Now when you write this, it should be written as, it will enter into same state, but this S, now try to see how many productions are there for S. So there are two productions. So this would be written as delta Q A, then first value is A say for a while, and second value is B. So it is to be done for each variable. So you may see over here what I am doing. So Q epsilon, now I got A. Next, so I would be writing Q C, then comma Q A. Thirdly, we have one more symbol available there for B. So we will write Q epsilon B results to Q C comma Q B. Now this will be applied for each variable that you can see in the given context free grammar. So we have three variables, so that's why we wrote this. Now we have to see the rule for terminals. So how many terminals are there? So one can see here there is one terminal A, then second terminal B, and last terminal is C. So for each of the terminal, you will write it like this. So delta Q A gives Q epsilon. Similarly, for next input symbol, delta Q B results to Q epsilon. Delta Q C results to Q epsilon. So mainly two rules. One rule talks about variables, other rule talks about terminals. So for variables, one can see here state, epsilon, variable name, and what are the productions are, we are going to write it over here towards right side with same state, and right side what are the alpha that you got over here for S for a while. So we got A and B. Similarly for A we did the same thing, for B as well same thing. Now, and for each terminal we wrote this way: state, terminal again, and then you write Q epsilon. And that's how you construct an equivalent PDA for the given context free grammar. Thank you.